Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on WeChat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the WeChat application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your phone number and your verification code to log in. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the chats page, from which if you wish to change your region, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. This will now take you into the settings page. Just tap on your profile at the top section and now you will see the More Info button. Tap on More Info and you will see the region option within this page. Tap on this option and now you can choose from the various list of regions and countries that are available for WeChat. You can use the search box or simply scroll down and then tap on your preferred region, and as soon as you tap on this, your region or country will be changed on WeChat right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country or region on WeChat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.